sharing some business tips to help you grow your business for free. No charge in how to advertise if you use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Those are my favorite platforms for my cleaning business, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and my handmade sprays and rollers, Plant to Palm Creations. So a couple things is when I post on Facebook or on those social media platforms, lots of studies have shown that the best time to post tends to be morning or evening. So that 8, 9, 10 a.m. block, and then the 3, 4, 5 p.m. evening block. Because a lot of people are either A, waking up around that time or starting their day around 8, 9, 10 in the morning, and they're doing a quick scroll. So you want to have your post pretty much in that time frame so it'll pop up on somebody's feed. And then in the evening, because people are either leaving work, already home, sitting down to have dinner, or before dinner, and they're just kind of scrolling on Facebook. You want to try to avoid posting at 2, 3, 4 in the morning, because many people are sleeping at that time, so you're not going to get a good target audience. And if you do post at 2 in the morning, by the time the person is up at 8 in the morning, your post will be buried from everybody else's more recent posts. So you want to try to get that nice window of a morning and an evening. On Facebook, there are ways that you can actually schedule your time for when your posts are posted. I don't do that. I usually just try to do it in the morning and try to do it again in the evening. But those tend to be the best times to post about your business on social media.